Morning, Algebra 2. This is the second review video for 8.6 to the 8.8 test. I'm inside because it's raining outside. My friend Mr. Malachi invented this. He noticed when the kids were outside, his neighbor kids, they did what they were supposed to. They said, hey, climb a tree. They climbed a tree. Hey, dig a hole. They dug a hole. They said, hey, bounce a ball. They bounced a ball. They said, bounce it really high. They bounced it really high. Outside, you do what you're supposed to. Inside, he was talking to his neighbors. The neighbor kids did exactly the opposite of what they were supposed to. If they said go left, they went right. If they said take out the trash, they brought in the trash. And the only sport you can play inside is ping pong. And ping pong is a back and forth sport. It's a back and forth sport. So the opposite inside, and you do back and forth stuff. By the word outside means vertical means up and down. Horizontal means back and forth. Here's the next review. The translation from f of x is the square root of x. And by the way, that graph looks like that. Should keep going up. This first one, it is outside, does what it's supposed to. It goes down 3. So it translates vertically down 3. H of x, that is inside, it does the opposite. Plus 3 would seem to make you say, hey, we're going 3 to the positive side to the right, but it is the opposite. You go 3 to the left. And I erased, maybe that said 5 root x, in which case that is outside, do what you're supposed to. Up and down, and when it's out front, that would stretch it by a factor of 5. Here, let's see, what is the new function of g of x when you would go up 3? Well, that's going to be easy. We have a 3 outside. Does what it's supposed to. Now, going to the right would seem to say that you should go plus 5. You should add 5 more, but you don't. You take away 5, so it'd be 11 minus 5, and it'd be x plus 6. Our translation on this one here, we are going to the left 3, and we are going down 9. We go left 3, down 9. Your domain will start at -3 and get bigger. Your range will start at -9 and get bigger. So your domain is x such that x is greater than or equal to -3. Your range f of x such that f of x is greater than or equal to -9. Hit pause if I went too fast. Hit slow. Hit fast. There it is. Review for 8.6, 8.8 test video number 2.